Hello, everyone, welcome back to the Lantu e-bike channel. Today we bring a 20-inch low-step folding e-bike to you. Let's see the details. This folding bike is made of aluminum alloy, and easy to fold in just a few seconds. What's more, it's available in a wide range of colors and configurations, so you can customize different styles to your liking. If you are still worried about the inconvenience of traveling, then this electric folding bike is definitely a good choice for you. Let's enjoy the fun of convenient traveling together. See you there next time.